Hello, everyone. Welcome to Insights into Your Being. Today, I'm going to talk about how different becauses of our lives change our reality. How we blame people or circumstances for not being able to achieve what we desire. Very often, we find blaming ourselves, blaming people, blaming our circumstances. That because I was brought up in such and such a way, I am like that. Because I don't have money, that is why I can't do this. I wish I had money. Only if I had this, I would achieve this. All our becauses are excuses. They are just reasons and justifications that we give ourselves or people. The fact is that we choose whatever we choose to do. If we, for example, if we seek permission from our elders to go out somewhere, and if we are not allowed, and we choose to obey them, right? What do we then do? We sit and cry and say that I wasn't allowed to go. I wish I was allowed to go. Only if I was allowed to go, I would be outward, extrovert, or I would be able to enjoy. No one allows me to do that. The fact is that you choose to obey. So you did what you wanted, right? Only if we understand that our choices create our reality will that make a difference. If you choose to obey, that's it. There is no point in blaming people or circumstances for what you don't get. And if you are not having the courage or strength to put your point across, then we must work on that. That is our challenge. We must learn to take a look at our challenges and overcome that. If we have the courage, if we have the trust in what we want to achieve, what we desire, what we want to do, if we don't have the courage or whatever resource it could be that you require, work towards that. Whether it is a materialistic thing or whether it's just a quality that you need to imbibe, whether it's just an emotion that you need to feel. If you lack confidence, work on it. Access consciousness offers very handy tools to be able to overcome these challenges. Access consciousness is founded by Gary Douglas, and Dr. Dane here is the co founder of Access Consciousness. They teach us to live in question. How do we bring about this improvement? How do we overcome our challenges? We have to ask questions rather than judging people or judging ourselves. They teach us, the tools teach us how to be in a space of no judgment. Whatever we judge will never change. Whatever we conclude does not change. So that is when we have to learn to ask questions. The basic and the most important pillars, the questions of access consciousness are: what else is possible? How does it get any better than this? And the access consciousness mantra is: all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. Only if we learn to live in question, we don't have to know the answers. The universe will send the answers in form of awareness. If we ask, how does this get any better than this? What else is possible? Universe shows us possibilities. Rather than concluding about people that, oh my God, this person is so mean. What did we just do? We judged that person and we concluded that that person is mean. So now there is no possibility of that person to change. We will prove that, and we will always, whenever we interact with that person, we'll come across their meanness, because that is what we believe, that is the point of view that we have. And if we ask questions, what else is possible? There is sudden shift in the molecules around you. The energy shifts. You are in a space of no judgment. This is such a simple thing to understand, and yet we unintentionally fail to understand this. We feel we are thinking positive, but we're doing exactly the opposite. Learn to live in question, learn access consciousness, and learn many more such questions that are taught in the Access Bars class. If you wish to learn, if you wish to become an internationally certified Access Bars practitioner, do leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll help you get in touch with facilitators who facilitate this awesome life transforming class. Until then, stay tuned for more. Love yourself.